Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube mini-series on Sudsies Couture services. We hope that you enjoy this presentation and find it useful.
Finally, Sudsies packages the garment for delivery. Sudsies provides lightweight, protective, and breathable muslin garment bags are a favored alternative to plastic garment bags at Sudsies because of their sustainability. Made from soft and breathable fibers, these bags provide a gentle yet effective shield against dust, light, and minor handling during transportation and storage. Their reusable nature makes them not only environmentally friendly but also economical for both Sudsies and guests alike. Beyond their practical benefits, muslin bags contribute to a cleaner planet by reducing the use of single-use plastics. Speaking of eco-friendliness, at Sudsies, we're committed to sustainability by using recycled hangers and encouraging our guests to participate in our recycling program. When you bring back your hangers, you help us reduce waste and minimize our shared environmental footprint. By reusing hangers, we ensure that every garment handling experience is eco-friendly, aligning with our values of environmental responsibility. Join us in making a positive impact one hanger at a time and smile knowing that your clothing care choices support a greener future for all. In closing, as you have seen, caring for your cherished couture garments at Sudsies involves several meticulous steps to ensure each garment receives the utmost care attention and is returned in a pristine and refreshed condition. It began with a thorough inspection, where our specialists meticulously examined for any stains, wrinkles, or imperfections that would require special treatment. Next, garments were delicately cleaned using advanced techniques and eco-friendly solvents, had their fabric integrity and colors preserved. Throughout the cleaning process, garments were carefully monitored to ensure optimal results. Once cleaned, garments were expertly pressed and finished to restore their original shape and crispness. Finally, each piece underwent a final inspection, guaranteeing they met our high standards before being elegantly packaged or hung in a protective muslin bag for pickup or delivery. At Sudsies, our dedication to quality craftsmanship and sustainable practices sets us apart. With a commitment to using recycled hangers and offering reusable muslin bags, we not only protect your garments but also the environment. The Sudsies approach ensures that every detail is attended to, leaving your cherished couture looking immaculate and ready to be enjoyed. Trust Sudsies for exceptional care and unparalleled results.